The V60 is a favourite home brewing pour over for a lot of our bear baristas. Straightforward to brew and simple to clean, it's easy to see why the V60 is a standout method amongst beginners and brewing aficionados alike. There are loads of V60 recipes out there to try, but here's a nice simple one to start with. Hey, I'm Lou, Head of Coffee for Bear, and today I'm going to be showing you a super easy recipe to get you started. This recipe uses 20 grams of coffee. I'll be using the Hermosa Costa Rica, which is currently served in our stores and also available for you to buy from our website. We're going to start off by weighing out 20 grams of our chosen coffee, preferably with a digital scales to a 0.1 gram accuracy. I'll be using a hand grinder, which is a cost-effective way of grinding your coffee fresh at home. We recommend buying your beans whole and grinding them fresh to give you a much better quality of brew. We're going to grind our coffee here to a medium grind size, which is slightly finer than rock salt. We'll be using a O2 size Hario plastic V60 today. You can get a variety of sizes and also materials for the V60s, and we're using the plastic one. It is an affordable starter V60, and also we find that the V60 being plastic doesn't absorb as much of the heat, so stabilising the temperature of your brew. So we're going to grab our O2 size filter paper and fold along the crease and pop it into our brewer. Now we're going to pre-wet and preheat the vessel at the same time with hot water. Pre-wetting your filter paper will help to remove any of the papery taste from the filter paper so it doesn't make its way into your cup. Once this has all dripped through, just make sure you discard of that water before brewing. Pop everything back onto your scales and make sure you zero the scales. Add in the 20 grams of your ground coffee. Create a small divot in the centre of your grounds. This will help you to wet all of the coffee, which is really important for the bloom phase. Zero your scales once more, start your timer and pour over 60 grams of water, which is just off the boil. Swirl the grounds to ensure they are saturated and leave them to bloom until your timer hits 30 seconds. Once your timer hits 30 seconds, pour over the remaining 330 grams of water. A gooseneck kettle here helps for you to control the brew and control the speed of the water that you're pouring over it. Once you hit that 333 grams of water, just with the tip of a stirrer, stir the top of the brew and then leave it to fully drip through. Once all of the water has dripped through your coffee, remove your brewer. Do try your coffee as it cools, as it will change as the temperature of the coffee changes. Pour into your cup of choice and enjoy. You can buy any of the equipment you may need for this recipe from our online store. Simply hit the link in the bio. If you enjoyed this video or want to learn more brewing tips or recipes, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.